Welcome to the Happy Kids Songs. Let's sing and learn together.
What is this? This is a spoon, 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 a shiny little spoon. What is this? This is a plate, 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 plate for food on your plate. What is this? This is a cup, 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 cup. Pick your little cup. What is this? This is a bowl, 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 a round and lovely bowl. What is this? This is a fork, 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 fork. It helps us eat our food. What is this? This is a pan, 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 pan. Cook food in the pan. What is this? This is a pot, 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 pot. Cook something hot. What is this? This is a glass, 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 glass. Drink water from your glass. What is this? This is a knife, 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 knife. Use it with care in life. What is this? This is a kettle, 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 kettle. It makes water hot and settled. What is this? This is a mug, 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 mug. Have a warm little mug. What is this? This is a tray, 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 tray. Carry food this way. What is this? This is a jug, 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 jug. Pour water from the jug. What is this? This is a jar, 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 jar. Keep your food in the jar. What is this? This is a ladle, 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 ladle. Scoop the soup from the table. What is this? This is a spatula, 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 spatula. Flip your food with the spatula. What is this? This is a whisk, 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 whisk. Mix it quick, quick, quick. What is this? This is a peeler, 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 peeler. Make your cheese much greater. What is this? This is a peeler, 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 peeler. Peel the veggies with the peeler. What is this? This is a rolling pin, rolling pin, rolling pin. Roll the dough and make it thin. Kitchen items one by one. Learning names is so much fun. Spoon, plate, cup, and bowl. We know them all.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. Happy Kids Songs for more such videos. Bye bye.